today we are live from the Corsair Bangkok factory. I'm so happy to be here. It's been 1 year that I've been collaborating with this firm, Corsair International, and now is the time when I get to visit the factory, and I can tell you, it's quite something. This is the future for humanity. Making cash out of trash, turning waste into wealth, switching from the pollution to the solution, and we're doing it. We're doing it with so many competent people. They're actually waiting for me to do my video until they empty actually this, what we call a pyrolysis reactor, until they empty it to actually get the oil that's in it and put a new batch of plastic, which you can see here in the back. This plastic that you see here in the back is actually, valued in the form of oil. This gets turned into what we call pyrolysis oil. It's like raw oil, oil that you would use, for example, in your gas tank, or that you could make, and this is what we do at Corsair, that we can turn into new plastic. And this is how we actually change, literally, we turn the tide against trash, because there is no more trash. There is just opportunity waiting to be uncovered. So all of this plastic gets put into these machines, which we call pyrolysis reactors. It gets heated from the bottom, as I'm going to show you right now. It gets heated from the bottom until the point where the temperature is so high that fumes start coming out of the plastic. So this here that you can see is where the heat is created. This process is called pyrolysis. Pyro means fire, heat, and lysis means separation. So we separate the chemical particles of plastic molecules into its original form, and it gets recombined into this kind of here, into this, it gets turned back into oil. So this is how we turn plastic into oil, and that oil then gets sold to clients like Shell, who is the biggest customer of Corsair, and Shell makes new plastic with it. So this is an extremely energy efficient process, which uses actually 90% of energy directly from the plastic waste. So we're really dealing with something that is extremely virtuous and efficient at the fuel level, but also at a production level, because with 1 ton of plastic waste, we create 900 liters, of pyrolysis oil. So 90% efficiency, 90% fuel efficiency, 90% production efficiency. So it really is a change of paradigm, because when you start making money with trash, it's not trash anymore. It's becoming a resource that's waiting to be uncovered. So this is the reactor, and this was my little video for you guys to actually understand what we're doing. And we need to empty the space because there is another group of people who are coming right now. So there you are, plastic waste turned into oil. And anyone can take part to this opportunity. Reach out to me and I'll walk you in. You'll see, this is the best business in the world, hands down. Be happy.